Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do the target trick. This is a really simple trick, and all you need is your bird and a treat and a stick-like object, and I think a chopstick works best. So all you have to do for this trick is to get your chopstick and tap it against the end of your bird's beak and say target. Target? Good bird, Skippy. Remember to reward it with lots of treats. So that's basically how you do the trick. You just have to keep doing it, and eventually your bird will see that the treat is associated with touching the end of the chopstick. Good bird, Skippy. Target. Good bird. Let's get a lemon out here. Target. Good bird. Target. Good bird. Target. Good bird. Target. Good, Skippy.